Number 48 says the steps Quentin took to evaluate the expression 3m minus 3 divided by 3 when m equals 8 are shown below. So he's got that same thing to start. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, 24 minus 3 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. What should Quentin have done differently in order to evaluate the expression? So maybe you've heard of something called PEMDAS. So it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. There's really 4 steps to this. We would do parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division go together. They're of the same importance, so you do that next after that, and then finally addition and subtraction. I'm doing that left to right. So we've got multiplication here, we've got subtraction here, and we've got division here. So this looks good. He took 3 times 8 and got 24. We would multiply those before we would subtract. But we should do this before we would do this. We should divide before we would subtract. So this comes before this does. That means Quentin did these steps in reverse order. We should have flip-flopped these steps in a sense. We should have done the division first, 3 divided by 3 first, and then subtracted whatever that is from the 3 times 8, from the 24. So let's see what one we got here. Subtracted 3 divided by 3 from 24. Yes, that's what we should have done. That's what Quentin should have done instead. So you would have, if that were true, this would be wrong. We'd have 3 times, I'll show you the correct way to do this problem. So 3 times 8 minus 3 divided by 3. This would be 24, but I would need to do this before I subtract. So minus 3 divided by 3 would be 1. That means my answer, Quentin's answer as well, should have been 23. So which one should he have done? He should have subtracted, or should have subtracted this value. Should have divided first and then subtracted that from 24. So choice C for number 48.